Well, hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. In today's video, look, we're in a different area. Ooh, welcome to my bed. So today we are going to be doing a review, like first impressions on the Lunar Beauty Moon Spell palette. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this. I am dying, like I love this. I love this so much. I don't know how the quality is yet. I've only like touched it like with my fingers and stuff, but I am so excited to do a look with this today. My beautiful, amazing, wonderful, super hot boyfriend Adam bought this for me as like an early Christmas gift, and I am dying to try it out. Also, like, that's the most amazing gift because, like, you know when someone likes makeup, oh yeah, they like makeup, but to get something so specific to like my aesthetic and something I love so dearly, but I just didn't bite the bullet on and buy it. I am so grateful. And I love him very much. And now let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright guys, as always, all makeup on this channel is cruelty free, so is this palette. And this palette is also a vegan formula. So this is what the sleeve looks like. It says Moon Spell. I don't know how the lighting and everything is going to be in this video. We're just trying out in different space. I feel like it matched this aesthetic more than my normal background. But this is so freaking beautiful. And then it's like a little sleevey. Oh, it comes out this way. So it's like a little book. Let me tell you how much I gagged and died over this when I saw Mandy's reveal video. This is the most beautiful packaging that I own. Like, the conspiracy box for the conspiracy palette is stunning packaging, and I love packaging, but this is such, it's so weighted. It feels very weighted, luxurious. The gold in here is beautiful. The whole book, like, element with like the fake tassels and like the fake book binding, this is so detailed and so like creative. Like, other palettes haven't done this before. So I love how this looks. That is so pretty. And then this is the back, and I am in love. And I also love hands. Like, I have a thing for hands, so this really does it for me as well. So here is the inside of the palette with a beautiful big mirror on it. But this is the palette color scheme. It's really pretty. At first I was like a little bit intimidated by it because I was like, ooh, there's a lot of purples. I don't really wear purple eyeshadow. But when you look at it, like, ooh, there's so many beautiful greens, and there's like these mustardy kind of shades. And these shimmers, like, I touched a couple. I'm dying to put these on my lids. So let's go ahead and get started with this look, because I feel like I'm just talking about this is beautiful. And it is, but let's do a look with it. Alright guys, so hopefully the zoom is good for this. I'm going to start off with this Sigma E33 little detail brush. It's a very small brush. I'm going to do like the inner crease area, a different color, but nothing too bold and crazy. So I'm going to take the shade Sarah right here, which is kind of a taupe, but it's like a purple kind of color. I know it's very neutral. I'm just going to buff this in the inner portion of our crease, and my eyelids are primed with a little bit of concealer blended out. This color was super pigmented, really easy to blend out, took like no time at all, and I really like the color. It comes off slightly darker than I kind of expected, but I'm pretty much into it. It looks nice. Now, I'm dying to touch the greens, but I don't know what like I want to put on the lid if I use the greens. So we're just gonna do a really weird color combination. So let's take, let's do Bonnie very lightly. We'll do Bonnie, which is the lime green, super light in the pan because I don't know how pigmented these are. And I'm going to put that in the other half of the crease. Ooh, this is so lime. I like it a lot. I say if you want this color to like pop, you definitely should put down like a white base first. I kind of just used my sponge with whatever excess foundation and concealer was on it to set my lid, which is what I normally do. But if I really wanted this to pop more, even though it's still showing up, I would totally put down a white base, but it's definitely showing up as green. No complaints. It's such a witchy color. Like, this is so fitting for this palette. Next, I'm going to go into Marine, which is right here. Yeah, Marine, which is the color I swatched yesterday, and I was like dying over because it's swatched so prettily. And I'm going to put that over that original green we put down just for a little bit more dimension. This is beautiful green. Holy crap, like, that's the normal green, and you put this on top, like, just touch it on. It's so pretty. I'm trying not to go heavy-handed into these shadows since I don't really know his formula that well. Like, I have the Life's a Drag palette and I love it, but those are intense, so I'm trying to be really light-handed with these. Okay, so I think I need everything that Manny comes out with because I am in love with the Life's a Drag palette, and then I didn't get the other two because I was broke for Greek Goddess, and the strawberry one didn't intrigue me that much. and now I have this one, but I need the other two I didn't get, and everything comes out in the future because these blend out effortlessly. I can't talk. Like, they're just so easy to work with, and they're actually like really true to color that you see in the pan, other than Sarah, which was a little bit darker. But let's go ahead now and put something on the lid. I'm not going to cut out the crease or anything. I like a really cute diffused look. I'm going to use a wet flat brush. This is the Sigma E58 brush, and we'll do 2 shimmery shades. I don't know. Okay, so let's take the color Hermione, which is this goldy shimmer, for the inner lid, and then we'll use Mary, which I swatched yesterday too, which is like a moss kind of color, and again, Hocus Pocus, amazing, and we'll use that on the second half of the lid. I think I'm going to do one eye. Well, we'll do it with the brush and see how it performs, which is very pretty and very gold, and then I'll do the other eye with my finger and pack it on, just to see the difference. So this is the side with the brush. I know it's kind of hard to tell. I'll work on the zoom if you guys like this setup. I'll work on like getting close-ups and stuff. I'll work on how to do that better. Because this is new for me. This lighting is a whole different situation for me. Ooh, it's so gold. The Hermione is just like a honey gold. It's not just like gold like you see a standard gold. It's like a honey gold. I don't know how to describe it other than that. And then Mary is such a beautiful, like, mossy, foresty green. But it has like such a coolness to it. It's not like green in your face. It is very witchy. Okay, so here are the lids. Ooh. So here's the side with the finger, and this is the side with the brush. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go into Winifred, which is this shade right here, and just dust under the lower lash line. And then for the very outer corner lower lash line, we'll mix in a little bit of Marine. Ooh. A lot of kickback in the pan with that Winifred shade. Alright, so this is our eyeshadow look. We look a little weird, but I'm going to pop on some mascara, lashes, lipstick. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Also, don't mind my blotchy skin. It is what it is. But this look, oh my gosh. Like, this lighting is not really the most flattering in the world compared to like my normal soft looking lights and everything. But oh my gosh, this look came out so pretty, and I really like these lashes. I added the Electra, is it Electra lashes from Rouge? These are the ones I actually like. I've tried a bunch of pairs lately. This is the one I like the most. But, and I put the Daddy liquid lipstick on because it was a collaboration with Jeffree Star and Mandy MUA back when they were friends. And I really like this color. I feel like it really matches this witchy aesthetic. So, this is our look. I'm really into this palette. I think it's so beautiful. I feel like the eye look comes out really soft and pretty. The colors are really easy to work with as well. So overall, I'm very happy with this. I cannot wait to get more looks out of this and see what I can come up with, because the color scheme is very unique, and I'm excited to play around with this. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry, that was like cat scratching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Oh my god, I'm just really happy about this, you guys. I'm so thankful I have a great man who takes care of me and gives me nice presents. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you later. Bye.